Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are detailing and cleaning the carpets in this car. So the carpets aren't that bad in this car, but I want to make sure that we clean and make the car look pristine before we install the new floor mats. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Turtle Wax carpet cleaner. It's a foam that you spray on and it works itself in. I heard this is the best for spray-ons on the market. Then we're going to use a BISSELL carpet cleaner, vacuum out all the moisture and use it to clean even deeper than the carpet cleaner can. And then thirdly, we're going to be testing out some Chemical Guys scent. It's the Mango Cello. See how that smells and see if that makes any difference, if I recommend it or not. I think that's enough talking. Let's get into the video. Sorry about some of the footage being dark. It's really hard to get enough lighting into a car that has black interior because it just absorbs all the lighting. So some of the stuff might be darker. To start this process off, we're gonna take the floor mats out. To get to the screws, we're gonna move the seats back. Now, you just gotta pop the cap off. And there should be another one over here. We have a 16mm socket. We're gonna go in. So that's the first one. I'm gonna take off the other one and I'm gonna take off the back ones. Alright, so now we're gonna move the seat forward. We're gonna pop the seat latch. Don't have any caps on it, so we can go straight to undoing. Alright, and the rears are big bolts. Now that the seat is up and the battery's disconnected, we can disconnect or remove this connector. And what we have to do is go in with a screwdriver to the side and unhook the latch right here. So let me see if I can try. So move that out, and then there we go. And move the pin back. So what we want to do is remove all of this grime from the carpet. So the more you clean, the better the end result will be. So we don't want to be scrubbing in all this dirt into the carpet since it's just surface level. So you really want to do a good vacuum job, because that will impact the end results. So now that we're going to start vacuuming the car, I'm going to vacuum up the parts that were underneath the seat that it's pretty much impossible to get to, on the driver's side as well. And then once we're done, we're going to start with the scrubbing. Now that it's sprayed on, you can actually kind of tell right away where the stains are or where something was spilled. It's turning out brown. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. In person, it's like a brown yellow color right here. So it kind of tells you where you want to scrub. It does smell pretty good, so no worry about that. It's not a harsh chemical or anything like that smell. So now we're going to get to scrubbing. So the interior is completely detailed. The carpet looks amazing. As you guys saw, hopefully you guys were able to see the caramel colored or brown colored water that we were pulling out in this section right here, where I'm assuming there was coffee spilled or something like that. There's no more staining in the carpet whatsoever. It looks amazing. It smells really good. So the turtle wax smells really good, especially once you use the BISSELL on it and you start vacuuming it out. I'll let it dry off for another 30 minutes and then we're gonna reinstall the seats, put in the floor mats, spray in some of that chemical guy spray into the cabin. So yeah, as always, if you want to support this channel, I just do it as a hobby. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.